Hi, I'm Ryan with RuffStuff Specialties. In this video, we're going to go over our prefabbed Jeep TJ steering kit. Also works on the XJs. What's included in this kit is some pre-bent and pre-welded 1.5" DOM tubing. We've got the bins in there to go around your differential and your coil buckets when you turn lock to lock. Also in this kit, we include our GM 1-ton tie rod ends. These guys, they have a 7/8 inch diameter shank, so larger than the factory stuff. It's also got the larger GM 1-ton taper. A lot of times the stock stuff, you'll see them break at that stock taper, so that's why we choose to go with that. With that being said, you do have to remount your knuckles to fit the larger taper. You can do that with a 7-degree reamer. Or if you wanted to, you could also use a 7/8 drill bit and then use our tapered knuckle inserts. When you're unpackaging it, the steeper bin is going to be on your driver's side, and then your Y-link rod end is going to attach on the passenger side. Less of a bend. You do have a small bend on your drag link, which goes around the bend on your tie rod. Your left-hand thread, you're going to have the blue thread protector on there. Those are going to both go on the passenger side. Your longer tie rod end, that's going to go on your pitman arm. That's going to be a right-hand thread. And then also on the driver's side knuckle, you'll have a right-hand thread. That's going to go on that end as well. And then this kit, compared to other competitors out there, other people that make a 1-ton kit, there's other people that use a 1-ton diameter tie rod ends with their stuff, but they still use that stock Jeep taper. That being said, I've seen a few of them break. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's nice to have that extra strength when you're out on the trail. On this kit, we make it for an under the knuckle mount. We haven't made one for an over the knuckle mount. Typically, if you're switching to an over the knuckle, you require something that has steeper bends. When you add more bends to your steering tubing, that generally causes it to want to roll more, increase the tie rod roll. So we try and keep those bends as shallow as possible. And then that's why we keep it with the under the knuckle mount.
If you like the video you just watched and like to support Ruff Stuff, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications, like this video, and hit us up in the comments down below. If you'd like to see another awesome Ruff Stuff video, check out this one.